This is a quick video on how to fix the low sound on your Samsung iconx. Anyhow, I saw someone else's video and I said, well, let me see if that'll work for me. And it did. What you have is your headset right there that goes into your ear. That part has a little black screen in it. So what I did is I took this little pin and you go right along the edge of the circle of the headset. I'm not going to be able to do it to show you here, but just go along the edge and that screen will pop right out. But what I was shocked to find when I did do that, underneath it, and I took a picture here so I'm going to show you, were two little white round material things that you can right there. There's a picture I took of them. That was underneath the screen. Now, I don't know how you're supposed to hear through that, but anyhow, I took those out too. They looked all nasty anyhow. I'm assuming they're there to catch anything that comes out of your ear, so it won't drip down into the headset. Anyhow, you can take that out. If you want, you can then shove that screen right there back in, and be sure to make it secure so it doesn't fall off into your ear canal. For me, I'm going to leave it out altogether. But if you do leave it out altogether, I would suggest you take a little toothpick with a little cotton on the end and wipe the inside of that little circle out after each use, because I guarantee you, if you don't clean your ears well, that's where your earwax is going. And anyhow, sound again, I'm so happy. Good luck.